Hi, myself Dr. Rajdeep Kaur, and today I'm going to share my journey with Cosmetica India. So I joined Cosmetica India somewhere last year in the month of June. Now it's been almost a year. तो मेरी journey start हुई थी. One of my colleague, Dr. Tanreet, she guided me about Cosmetica. तो उन्होंने यहाँ से attend किया था 3-month plan of fellowship. तो she suggested me because मैं बहुत जगह पे देख रही थी कि कुछ ऐसा मेरे को मिल जाए जहाँ पे मेरे को लिटरली अच्छे से सिखाया जा सके, नॉट ओनली द प्रैक्टिकल थ्योरी बट द थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट एज वेल. तो व्हेन आई केम हियर दो आई वाज लाइक बिट स्केयर्ड. तो मेरे को इन्होंने अच्छे से गाइड किया और इन्होंने बोला कि वी विल बी इक्वली फोकसिंग ऑन द प्रैक्टिकल प्लस एज द थ्योरी पार्ट एज वेल अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ डॉक्टर चंद्र प्रकाश. तो जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई वाज लिटरली वेरी ब्लैंक इन कॉस्मेटोलॉजी बिकॉज समवेयर आई belong to dentistry only. So I was successfully doing my dentistry by the last 10 years. And as we all know, इसमें cosmetology भी बहुत अच्छे से introduce की जा रही है. So when I started my journey, तो मेरे को सारी टीम की बहुत ज़्यादा support रही थी. Not only the doctors, but the entire team was there. Each day, every minute, they helped me to, if I had any sort of queries with the studies, patients or anything. तो उस time के दौरान डॉक्टर चंद्र प्रकाश, the best part about it was कि हमें daily morning में before I used to start with the patients, जब ये morning में आते थे तो we always used to had a lectures like whatever we were about to cover in that day, we always used to had discussion 1 to 2 hours prior before we used to start with the patients. So that was one of the best and amazing part because ये सब चीजें मैंने बहुत जगह से पता किया था और ये part सब missing था. And now I have been, as I've completed my 1 year of journey with Cosmetica, and I would say I'm feeling so much confident that I'm going to start up my own clinic in Amritsar by the name of Facecraft Aesthetic. And I've been so much confident क्योंकि इन्होंने सिर्फ मेरे को इस चीज़ में हेल्प नहीं किया कि मैंने जितना सीखा है या पढ़ा है, they helped me with the machines and with the products as well. तो वो part इतना easy हो गया था मेरे लिए कि entirely I would say कि 80% of the privilege go to Dr. Chandra Prakash. उन्होंने मेरे को best of the machines, I would say around every corner of the world after having so much of research. तो उन्होंने मेरे को machines की establishment and everything, he helped me. So I would suggest everyone कि you must join Cosmetica. ये it is not only restricted up to the fellowship program or classes तक. You will get an entire journey इनके साथ जो रहती है वो ये है कि day 1 से लेकर day end तक, till the time you are not confident enough to start your clinic, they will keep pushing you, they will keep polishing you. So now I've been so much pushed and now I've been so much polished कि I've been so much confident कि हाँ, I can start up my own clinic. And I would suggest each and every of you to join Cosmetica because they only not promise till the time you are here, they used to give the commitment for your entire journey for the rest of life. जब भी आपको कोई भी patient के बारे में कोई भी दिक्कत या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो they always used to help in the very next minute. Like the team is so huge. तो मेन चीज यही रहती है डॉक्टर्स की कि okay fine we have learned, तो अब इसके बाद क्या रहेगा. So that is one of the best thing I would say in my opinion. ये नहीं है कि इतने टाइम के लिए ज्वाइन किया तो उसके बाद अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आई तो. So I would say कि ये मेरा बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा है because it's totally a new phase of my life which I am going to start up with the help of Cosmetica and under my mentor Dr. Chandra Prakash. So it's like, I would honestly say it's like a blessing for me that I have joined it, and I would suggest everybody to come here, join and have at least one discussion with the team and they will help you throughout the life to build up your career in aesthetics. Thank you very much.